Hi, I'm Jonathan. I've been teaching Vectorworks for over 30 years. This morning, I was helping someone understand the intricacies of the Heliodon tool. Not the projection of light, but the visual presentation of the Heliodon tool. Now, there's a couple of things to think about. Number one is that on the Heliodon tool, you can choose whether this is going to present itself in a 2D graphic only, or include a 3D light, or a 2D graphic only, or a light only. And they appear differently depending on whether you're in a 2D view or a 3D view. Now, if I change from a top plan view to a top view, you'll notice that I lose all of my 2D graphic, even though I've got 2D graphic turned on. And the reason for that is that it's a hybrid object with a 2D and a 3D component. Now, any hybrid object with a 2D and a 3D component, when you're in a top plan view, it only shows the 2D. And when you're in a 3D view, it only shows the 3D stuff. Now, in relation to the Heliodon tool, the 2D graphic is the one we're used to seeing, this one. Now, let's change this and we'll do 2D graphic only. Now, it looks the same in 2D. When we go to an isometric view, you can see it looks like a 2D view flat on the ground. The curious thing to me was that in top plane, you can see there's a tiny little indicator for a light, although it doesn't project any light. The other option, we've got the 3D only. No 2D, just the 3D light in 3D. One thing you need to check in order to see the light is to make sure that in your Vectorworks preferences, you have your display set to 3D lights always. If you have only in wireframe and you go to a shaded view, you will lose your light. So you do need to make sure you've got either always or you're in a rendered or wireframe view. And that's why I can see my light. Now, there are times where I don't like that, so there are times where I turn that off. Now, you can, if you want to, turn this on here so that it turns up always on your quick preferences, and it's this one here, display light objects. So if we change that back to only in wireframe, you notice it's disappeared because I'm now in a shaded view. Always, they turn on always. So that was the idea behind the Heliodon. We've got the 2D graphic plus the 3D light, 2D graphic only, or the 3D light only. I always use this one here, the 2D graphic plus 3D light. Hey, thanks for watching. If you love going into these deep dive on a topic where you learn absolutely everything about a topic, become a member of my community. These are the things we have for the catch-up or the getting started classes, where we do a deep dive into a topic so we can find out everything we need to know about that topic. Catch you later.